Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Regina. If you're new here, thank you for watching, and if you're a regular subscriber and watcher, thank you for coming back. Okay, so I know I look a little rough. The hair needs a little touch up, and this is me. This is I woke up like this with these dots and all the Anyways, I'm not here to talk about that. I did an unboxing video for NotPolish products, and it was super long, so I decided to cut it in two. Yes, I already uploaded number 2 for Saturday. Number 2. You see, I'm a mess. Oh God. Anyways, yes, so I did part 2 for Saturday. So don't worry, it is a part 2 to this video actually, because I know I say, oh my God, I have part 2, and then I forget, and it's like lying. So that's why I don't lie. There's no need. I just forget. Because that's what I do best. I forget stuff. So anyways, I made sure I edited the video and already uploaded it. So Saturday morning, you will see part 2 to this video. So go ahead and watch, and I hope you like and subscribe. And if you're not yet subscribed, come on, do it. Or go follow me on my social media. The links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. With no further ado, I'm just gonna do it. So I got all these products from NotPolish. This is how beautiful the inside of this box is. Isn't that pretty? When I opened it up, I'm like, do an unboxing. So let's just get straight into it. These are the extreme universal tips. I got 120 tips in here. And when they say extreme, listen to me. They mean extreme. I saw this and I had to get it. I know that sounds annoying. Little ASMR, I guess. So let's pour those out and see. When I say extreme, that means, you see the length on these nails? And they have from 1 to, I guess, 10. Yeah, it's from some 0 to 10, I guess. Yep, 0 to 10. So it's all different sizes. I'm going to put these on my trainer hand and swatch the products because I have a lot more to go. So that's just the extreme tips. Let me grab whatever else I have in this box. I like these. They're so pretty. Pink. Everything is pink in here. So I have the long tips, non-C curve, straight coffin. And there's 500 tips in those. And then I have the universal tips. There's also 500 in those. And I use this all the time. This is my favorite tips. They're really shaped really well. You don't have to do any shaping. You just clip the tips off if you're doing a coffin, or you just go straight into doing a stiletto. So these are perfect for that. I'm gonna set those to the side. And okay, I got this beautiful green, and it's called Money. Oh, OMG 42 Money Honey. Okay, that's beautiful green, glittery powder. It's so pretty. I can't wait to swatch this. Isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. Okay, and I like the way that they come sealed, and their bottles are so gorgeous. I just love that. I know this can look real good on my shelves. Okay, and then we have OMG 7 Wild Dreams, and this is like a peachy orange, and as I said, all of them come sealed, and this is also a glitter. So the minute I'm finished, start swatching, you'll see how gorgeous this stuff is. Then we're going to move on to Sweet Autumn, and this is like a coffee looking color. And there it goes. Nice cream chocolate kind of look. I guess when you add the liquid to it, it will darken it up a little. And this one is called Casanova. Okay, Mr. Casanova. Casanova. Okay. And that's that beautiful red. I don't know why I love to buy colors that are not in season. But yeah, I love colors like that. This one is called Glam Girl, and this is M18, and it's called Glam Girl. I guess I'm a glam girl right now because I'm getting it. Ooh, it's a really subtle peach, and the color looks so creamy. Okay. This one is called Sun Kissed, and I really didn't have any yellow, so I'm like, I need to get myself a yellow. So I had to get this one, and look how buttery. It looks like butter. Everything's better, you know, with butter. I'm a mess, I know. Put that back in there. And I have a few more to go. This one is called Vanilla Cream. And it's just basically whitish looking, you know, creamish looking white. Like, you know, nut color. Alright, I'm gonna behave. I promise. This one is called No Apologies. My husband will love this because he never likes to apologize for nothing. And it's beautiful because it's an orange. This is my daughter's favorite color in the world. So she's gonna love this. I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna put that on her. First person getting that is her. And this one is called Talented Orchid. Am I saying that right? If I'm not, sorry about that. I didn't get, you know, A+ in math. So it's kind of like a lavender. It's really faint. So I can't wait to see how this one looks. This one is called Keep It Cool. And it's a really subtle lemon color. Like a lemon green. Lemon. So I guess because it's, you know, real cool, that's why it's called that. So I'm going to keep it cool and keep it moving. Okay. This other one here is called Night Crawlers. Because, you know, I'm crawling in the 1 o'clock in the morning type. I guess it's morning crawlers if you want to think about it like that. And there it is. It's a really soft blue. I love blue. I love me some blue. The top fell, so I'm just going to grab that real quick. Put that back in here. Inside of there, so. And put that back in here. And I think I have one last one left in there. Yep. And this one is called, oh, I didn't even, it's a nice pink glitter. And I didn't even look what this one is called. This one is called Babe Alert. Okay. Okay, babe. Okay, babe. Okay. That is too sexy. Yo, where they get these names from for these colors? Alright. Alright. And I think that these little ones are the ones that came with the polishes. Because I did buy them in 3s. So I think the little ones are the ones that came with the polish. I'm not sure. I don't want to say that is what came with what. So, but anyways, they always sell them together. I never knew why. But it's a lacquer. It says lacquer and gel polish. So I'm guessing it's regular polish and gel polish in the same colors. So, and this one is called what? Tangled Orchid. Oh yeah, okay. So it's remember that Tangled Orchid earlier? Yeah, I'm guessing it came with this one. So it's not the little ones. It's from these are a trio. These came together, and I really like that because look at the size of this bottle. This is a 2-ounce bottle, and it came with a gel polish and a regular polish. So if you don't like gel polish on your toes, this will be perfect for you, and this will go on your hands if you're not an acrylic kind of girl. Or you could use acrylic and gel polish on your toes if you're not a regular polish type of person. So this is perfect for everyone. Okay, and then this one, let me open up this here right here. So, and I'm gonna throw all this stuff in here, so, and toss this to the side. Yep, and this one is called Keep It Cool. So that's where that came from. That one is this with it's the 3-0 with this one. And as I said before, if you are an acrylic person or you're a gel person or you're a regular polish person, you can use this. So that is good because you are basically covering everyone, because not everyone